Nabi al Kareem Muhammadin wa alihi wa ashabi ajma'in. So the last and the third situation of grandfather which we were talking about, that is 1/3 of the remaining property after the share of the grandmother in the case which we had mentioned. And that case is that there was the grandfather, the grandmother, two brothers, and one sister. So grandfather, according to Zayd ibn Sabit radiyallahu ta'ala, is considered like brothers and sisters. Yes? As we mentioned before. So now the only sharer here is the grandmother. And the grandmother share is 1/6. So the mas'ala will be from 6. She will take 1. Now there remain 5. And as we said that in this situation, the grandfather is taking 1/3 of the remaining property. What?
1/3 of the
1/3 of the remaining property. Remaining shares are 5. The relation between 3 and 5 is tabayun. So when that is tabayun, so the whole digit would be multiplied by. So what is the denominator of third? 3. Denominator of third will be 3. So we will multiply 6 by 3. So that is 18. Just first we will do this. She took 3. How much remained? 15. So now when that is 15, so here is one grandfather, 2 brothers, 1 sister. From 15, 1/3,
5.
That is 5. Because 15 is the remaining. And grandfather is taking 1/3 of the remaining. So he will take 5. How much remain there? 10. Now here are 2 brothers and 1 sister. 2 brothers are equal to 4 sisters. To how many?
4 sisters.
4 sisters. So altogether they are 5. Yes. So what should be done?
4 and 4 and 2.
Yes. So 10 remains. So 8 will go to them.